Maria's driving.
Yeah. You go.
Maabot mo.
Is that comfortable?
Yes.
So you can reach the pedal now.
Yep.
Right, push on your pedal so you can make sure you can feel
That's
it all right.
that's an
It's like a
accelerator.
real car pedal.
And that's a brake too. Brake the middle.
You got 2 foot on the brake.
Yeah.
Right foot on the, that's got a foot on.
I think Maria's better
Yeah.
driver than
You got this is the accelerator. So push it the harder you fall, the harder and faster
brake.
it goes. And don't forget the brake on the corners. And look at your driving.
I will drive now.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
you can go
Keep
now.
going straight. That's straight anyway.
I'll change the view. I'll change the view.
Why? Are you driving?
Yes, she's driving.
Oh, really? She's good.
There you go.
Can you see that?
She's doing really well. What's that problem with it?
You're walking on now.
Maria is doing driving well.
Faster. Keep your foot down.
Not bad, huh? For first timer?
You keep going. It'll go up to 4 speed.
What? The next Filipina racing driver.
Yeah, look at that. She's doing bloody better than you lot. I don't know why you have a problem. 20 mile an hour.
You need to drive. You can drive naughty.
She's doing 220 k's. Faster than you lot. And she's still in third. Straight up, don't zigzag. That's it, stay in the middle lane. Just gently move left and right. That's it, little bit your other side. That's it. That's it, that's the middle.
That's the audience, so.
Gee whiz, you lot. She's doing 110, 200 kilometres an hour.
Wow.
You're doing 200 kilometres an hour in third gear. You push the pedal down a bit more.
Pedal.
That's
Accelerator?
it. Now you'll get some speed up, girl. You're going
Wow,
down.
Maria is a good driver.
Not better than you. And Jen.
Yes.
Jen's first go was being like you were the worst of Jen. But now I know
And
that.
Auntie Maria's.
Look at Emma. She's
So she-
Maria.
Maria Ima.
She's straight.
So she can drive the car, you
Knows how
know?
to drive.
Oh, cause she knows
Only on the game.
she knows the left and right.
Bloody hell, she's good
That's
at
a good training too. 120 kilometers per hour. You can drive a jeep in, in the Philippines. 119?
Yeah, you don't have to wiggle the body, just keep it straight. A little bit.
And then accelerate.
Only a little bit. Yeah.
The audience. First timer.
And she's catching up to other cars as well.
Where's the other cars? There's no other
Blue
car.
ones.
There's no other
Look on the
car.
right side up the top. See
Ah,
that red
there.
triangle?
Ah,
That's you.
the red one.
What's
Boy,
wrong?
you wanna do racing as well?
Let's go outside.
Whoa, Maria, the first Filipina driver.
Driver on ano. Driver.
Left. Middle. Oh.
Essential electrolyte.
What the phone?
Interference.
Paxi, you gonna help Ate Maria?
Going on again. All right.
What's wrong, Paxi?
Lumili ko na ako. I'm turning.
Oh, okay, wow.
Oy!
But you can keep the speed up. Makes it a little bit easier to turn. The faster you go.
So, curb yan, ha? Curb lines.
Yeah, she's drunk. I'm not drunk. You're just stupid.
Sharp show.
I bet you wish you never let her have a go now.
Yes, I do. Bugger, all right.
You're good for first try.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What's it done? 4 minutes.
Mm.
Be nervous if it's the real car.
Maybe one day me and you, Emma, will do our racing and then.
If they do the show, do bumper cars.
In Albion Park.
Eh?
There's one in Albion Park.
Is it?
Yeah. The guy though is sitting beside you. Do drive safely. Wow. So serious.
Ganyan pala ba?
Mm.
Tignan mo lahat yung ano, no?
Mm. Mm.
Parang hindi ko makita yung mga sides.
Take it. All right.
Then, oh.
You don't need that one.
Which
No,
one?
this one.
Oh!
Put your foot on the accelerator. You're running.
Foxy said, make sure you drive safely. Okay?
It's all straight there. In the highway. I'm
If
driving on a highway.
Oh.
No ending.
You finished the race? Parang wala lang sa kanya. Parang hindi gumagalaw yun. You're under the tunnel. It's dark, can you see? Wow, it's not bad for the first try. Where are you going? Where are you going, darling?
Nothing bring me clothes out.
What time are you
For
going?
work.
Morning?
No. Oh, she's finished the race. So she come 12. That's good.
Oh.
Shows you're running over.
Oi!
Actually, if you just leave it to the red, see that red thing? That's straight. You know, in front of you?
Yeah.
See, on the steering wheel.
Oh,
Look on the steering wheel.
Nakras na.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
like the steering wheel.
Oh,
There.
Oh.
That's straight.
oh.
Okay.
Yeah. So just move little bits, because if you move big bits, that's when the car starts swinging, and it'll do that in real life.
You know what she looks like now, Shane?
Yeah. Oh, Miss Daisy. She's done really well.
Oh, my God.
Just gentle move. Little
Gentle move.
bit, little bit. See that? Look how that is. So just do a little bit, and then it'll stop you from swinging the car.
Si baka mag-viral yun.
So just find the traction.
That's the picture. What's final lap? John. Are you okay, John?
I can't believe you did exactly what Jan did. Get going. Now I know it's not the steering wheel.
It's the steering wheel.
It's the people.
It's the steering wheel.
Too small.
We used to